that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position, that I have clearly understood, and I will impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
Okay, palakpakan tala po. Nandiyan ka tamong kay. Mag-obrala Remy next year. Picture with ma'am dyan siguro. Congratulations! Santane, nung masakit siya mo yung bulsa mo, nungub ka. O kaya, may kinis kang panas. O di...
Ay! Baba kamay. One. Kayo mo naman. Sorry. Office ka, office.